The people demand Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, Fauci, the British monarchy, all of them be disbanded, stripped financially, and the proceeds given to the people for their crimes against humanity. We will not stop peacefully. We do everything peacefully, but we do not let up. We stand on the jugular of the great beast. We stand on the neck of the tyrant who never stops, who never yields, and so too we shall never yield. We shall clamp down with zeal. Okay, people? Okay? You are winning. Keep up. Keep up, people. Keep going. Keep going. Do not stop. Do not stop. I will walk into this ocean if I have to. I will walk into this ocean and not stop walking until I reach the other side. In the name of our victory. In the name of our victory. We shall win. We shall not yield. Gentlemen, onward. Sisters and brothers, onward. We cannot be stopped. We stand on the neck of the great beast. Do not yield. Dragons were meant to be slain. Tyrants were meant to be imprisoned. Thieves, you shall not sleep with your stolen proceeds. The people demand justice. The people demand justice. Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson. You will be disbanded, stripped financially for parts, and the proceeds given to the people. This is the only way that America can heal from this great wound. If these terrible, tyrannical companies are disbanded and their filthy loot redistributed to the people.